Hello, I'm going to be testing every tone of my system sensor, P2RL. So yeah, let's go right ahead. Okay, it's the first tone. It's code 3. I'm guessing that's loud setting, I hope. If that's quiet setting, I don't want to hear. Alright, so I'm going to go to the second tone here. Just give me a second. I'm tweaking the alarm a tiny bit. Now back away. That's low volume. Code 3. Alright. So yeah. That's code 3 low volume. So you probably know what's next. This is going to be continuous high volume. I'm going to try to see if I can do this really quickly because I do not want to annoy my neighbors or blow out my ears. This thing is incredibly loud. Woo! That thing's loud. Alright. Now for the quiet setting, or the low setting, continuous. Low setting continuous. Yeah, this alarm's awesome, extremely versatile. And I should be expecting my Gentex Commander coming in within the next couple days. So yeah, this is low volume continuous. Low volume is manageable, but high volume is unbearable. Yeah. Right, so now I'm going to be moving over to 3K. P2RL, high volume. This is more of like the chime tone thing, like, it's not necessarily a chime, it's a tone, but like, just for any new beginners, I'm just trying to make it a little easier on people not to confuse them, but this actually sounds kind of like a smoke detector. Yeah, that's incredibly obnoxiously loud. Actually sounds a little bit like a piezo buzzer that you would find on like the Simplex mini horn. I'm gonna try to be getting my hands on one of those sometime soon. This thing has most of the same tones as the Spectral Alert Classic, I believe. Or no, not the Spectral Alert Classic. Don't listen to me, I'm an idiot. The Spectral Alert Advance. So yeah, this is the same thing, just lower volume. So yeah, yes, the strobe is in sync, but it's hard to tell because of the how bright it is out. Right now, this is going to be high continuous 3K. This is going to be insane. But yeah, this is the second to last tone this thing can produce. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Alright. So yeah, I think I'm actually going to call it there. That was the high volume. The low volume is just going to be the same thing. It's lower. That was insane. I'm not going to be testing any of my alarms on high volume again. My ears are ringing. My dogs are freaking out. My parents are yelling at me. So yeah. That was a mistake I'm not going to make again. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please drop a like. Subscribe to my channel. Post it to Facebook. Do whatever you want. I don't care. But just show some love for my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I enjoy all the support I get. And I'm happy that my channel is growing. See you guys next time.